let's go up the hill to meet Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and hurt his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Then up got Jack and said to Jill, as in his arms he took her, brush off that dirt, for you're not hurt. Let's fetch that pail of water. So Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch the pail of water, and took it home to Mother dear, who thanked her son and daughter. She looked at Jack and looked at Jill, asked children, what's the matter? Jill said, Mum, look at the sun, it's getting hotter and hotter. So Jack and Jill went down the hill to jump in the lovely water. With such a hoot, Jill looked so cute in the swimsuit Mom had bought her. Jack did swim and so did Jill, along with Mother and Father. The riverside, the valley wide, rang with the family's laughter. That was so much fun! Jack and Jill certainly had a great time. See you soon!